Well friends, here's the next problem. Before going to the problem, let us see the given direction. The given direction is, the following Venn diagrams show the relationship among the three given objects. Indicate the appropriate diagram to show the relationship. The given question is polygons, quadrilaterals, squares. Friends, here are some of the Venn diagrams given. We have to indicate the appropriate Venn diagram for the given question. Okay. The given question is polygons, quadrilaterals and squares. Friends, polygon is nothing but a closed plane formed by straight sides, whereas quadrilaterals are nothing but again closed planes formed by four sides. Squares are nothing but the special quadrilaterals. That means the squares again formed by a closed planes but having equal sides. Okay. Now I will represent the polygon by a bigger group, where the quadrilaterals come under the polygons, the squares come under quadrilaterals. Now this is the figure indicate the given question. Now let us check this figure with the given options or with the given Venn diagrams. So the given Venn diagram B matches with our diagram. Let us check the given options. The first option itself is B. Therefore, option 1 is the right option. Well friends, we will see some more problems.